Hello, little cute stars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter and a new concept. Today, we have chapter number 7, which is subtraction of three-digit number. In our last chapter, we learned about the addition of three-digit number, and this chapter, we are going to learn about the subtraction of three-digit number. So, subtraction of three-digit number without regrouping. Let us study the following sums. Example number 1. First, we have to subtract 184 from 296. So, first we write 296 and then 184. Always make sure and keep in your mind 1 should be at the ones below and 10 should be below the tens and 100 should be below the 100. Now, start from right hand side. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So, your end difference is 112. Now, example number 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So, 223 is your difference between 587 and 364. Now, subtract it. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 4 is well done 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 313 is your difference. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 211 is your answer. Next we have 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. Next 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 320 is your difference. So students, you have to solve rest of the question as I do by following the same method. Now, subtraction of three-digit number with regrouping. So now what we are doing, we are grouping it. It means now we have to subtract 346 from, we have to subtract 346 minus 119. So first we write 346, then we write 119. So 6 is smaller as compared to 9. So we have to make it, we have to take a carry, we have to take regrouping. So we take 1 from 4, so it will be converted into 3 and it will be converted from 6 to 16. Always make sure when we take a carry, never add this. 1 plus 6 is 7. You don't have to do this. This is a wrong way. What you have to do? 1, 6 is 16. So you have to write in this way. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So your end answer is 227. Okay, students. Now, example number 1. Subtract 377 from 648. So again, 374 is smaller as compared to 648. So we have to regrouping 648 minus 375. 8 minus 5 is 3. It's not possible. We can subtract 7 from 4. So we have to take a carry. By taking carry, 4 will become 14 and 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. So your end answer is 273. Now subtract 254 from 732. So when you subtract 254 from 732, 2 minus 4 is not possible. So we have to take a carry. 12 minus 4 is 8. 2 minus 5 is again it's not possible. So we take a carry. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now 6 minus 2 is 478 is your final difference. Now we have to subtract these numbers. 5 minus 8 it's not possible. So what you have to take? You have to take a carry. While you take a carry, 5 will convert it into 15 and your 4 will convert it into 3. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 3 minus 7 it's not possible. So we have to take a carry again 13 and it will be converted as 5. So 13 minus 7 is 3, 6. And now we have 5 minus 3 which is 2. So 267 is your final answer. Now 3 minus 9 it's not possible. So we have to take a carry. Now it will convert it 3 to 2. 13 minus 9 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. So students, you have to solve rest of the question similarly as I do. Let's take one more example. 2 minus 6 is not possible. So we go to take carry to 0. 0 is already 0 minus. So what we have to do first? So down we move to 8. So 8 will convert it into 7. This 0 will convert it into 10. Now 0 have value. 1 0 is 10. So now we can take a carry from 0. So it will be converted 9 and it will be your 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 7 minus 3 is 4. This is your final answer. So students, now can you do and give a try to the above questions. Now word problems on subtraction. Ravi had 175 stems. How many? 175. He gave 85 stems to his friend. How many? 85. How many stems were left with Ravi? So you have to subtract 85 from 175. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 17 minus 8 is 9. So total he have 90 stems. Now 398 students appeared in an examination. Out of them 279 were boys. How many girls appeared in the examination? So what you have to do, you have to subtract 279 from 398. 8 minus 9 is not possible, so we have to take a carry. 18 minus 9 is 9. 8 minus 7 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So final answer is 119. So you can do and try, give a try to rest of the question in a similar way as we do above in section, and this also we understood here. Now we have the addition and subtraction facts. Every addition fact has two subtraction facts. Consider the addition of 4 plus 9, which means 9. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 4 and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Conversely, for every subtraction fact, we have an addition fact, which means subtraction fact 14 minus 8 is 6. So 6 plus 8 is 14. You can check answer of your subtraction question by using the corresponding addition fact as well. So 32, 17 minus from subtracted from 32 give you 15. When you add 15 plus 17, so what you get? You get 32. Find the difference and check your answer using addition. So 73 minus 22. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. So when we add 51 to 22, we get 3 and 7. The answer we have same. So similarly for this case, 2, 0 minus 2 is not possible. So what we take here? 10. 10 minus 2 is 8 and it will be converted 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 28 plus 62 is 10. 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So same. So you can check rest of the questions you have similarly. And with that, end of the moment, you have your mathematics lab activity which you have to perform in your labs. And after this, you have completed this chapter. So students, I hope so you understood this chapter very well and now you are ready to move on to the next chapter. So students, now I'll meet you in your next class with a new chapter with a new concept. Till that, bye bye. Have a good day.